Okay, here is the Epworth website file upload, website login, and file organization tutorial. And so this will show you how to do the basics, and maybe I'll show you a few other things on how to edit basic website functions as well. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. So what you're going to do to log in is go to Epworth FAC.com, and then you're going to do /WP-admin. Once this comes up, you're going to type in your username and your password. My internet's going a little slow because I'm uploading a video here, so bear with me on that. Oops, I logged in as somebody else, so let's log out. I'll try to log in actually using your credentials here. So I believe it's Epworth admin. Well, it's still a little, it's already saved on my computer, so I'll just use my name. But I sent an email to you, Gary Powell, and it has the username and password and things like that in it. I can always change the password if you need me to. Okay, so let's get started. So right when you sign in, you're either going to see this page here, or if you're already on the page, and you log in, it might just show you this bar right here at the top. This is the admin bar. And so, uh, even though under documents page it shows you that you can upload files right there, I don't recommend doing that because it's not going to let you pick a folder per se when you do upload. So if you upload right now, it's not necessarily going to put it in one of these folders. It's just going to stick it underneath all of these. I haven't tried out if you actually click on one of these folders or inside of it, if you upload a file now, if it goes inside this folder or not. I think that might be the case. That'd be nice if it is. However, I wouldn't recommend doing that. This is mainly just to show you the files that are available. People can download it from here or open it, etc. So, in order to get back to this screen here, from this page, if you're logged in, what you do is go over here to this speedometer looking portion and choose the dashboard. When you choose the dashboard, everything over here is going to be mostly off limits to you. However, because this is what controls the main website, and I can um, work with a lot of this. So you don't want to mess around with this because it's going to be a lot to handle. So what the file list program or the documents area is under File List Pro right here. So what you're going to do is click this. And then it brings up a similar looking page to the documents page, but this is kind of more on the back end. So if you want to create a folder, let's say you have 2021 folder now that you want to create. So we would type in 2021 here and then choose create folder. So now we have a 2021 folder. We can open this, we can move it inside of other folders, we can do a lot of things. So now that we're inside the 2020 folder, so right here is the path, so you know you're under the main folder underneath 2021, you can choose to upload a file. So you just click upload, and then you can either, I believe you can drag files in here, or choose files. I think you have to choose them. So you can choose them, and then when you click choose, it'll take you to um, your computer file system where you can select a PDF, or any other files, pictures, or whatever, and you can open that, and it will upload into the 2021 folder. Now, so we have uploaded I have uploaded all the files that have been given to me. So if you don't like how this was organized, I tried to organize it the way it was sent to me, as close as possible, and even adding certain folders to try to make it clear. Um, so there's peer info, miscellaneous, Epworth Forest stuff, meeting notes, court documents, so on. So if like you want to move court documents inside of another folder, you can, or let's say you don't want this file anymore, you can delete it, or you can click move and you can move it to any other folder on the list right here. Like we could put it inside Watkins, or Turner, or something like that if that's the case. If you want to delete a whole folder, you can delete a whole folder. You can edit a folder. You can change the name. You can add a description, and so on. So that in itself is really everything you need to know about uploading files and creating a folder system on here. So if you want to go back to the beginning, you can click home here. And these are all the main folders, so you got them all by year. I'll leave this file folder here, 2021. I don't think there's anything in 2020. So I don't think I actually got the actual files for the 2020 minutes and financials. I think I was just given the content, to which I made a simple post. And I can go through that with you quickly on how to actually update into like a blog type, the type of the or the section of the website. So, for instance, you got annual minutes and monthly minutes. So every month that goes by, we can make a post. So if I click this, it's going to bring up a post I made in July. Looks like July was the last time. Um, so in order to create this, what you do is back here at your dashboard is you create a new post. So you have posts I can show you, and then you have post categories. So underneath categories here, here's your monthly minutes. Here's peer information category. And then there's also other categories that should have annual and monthly financials. So you got financials, annual financials, monthly financials. So what happens is when you create a post and you put it in one of these categories, which I'll show you how to do, it will automatically show up on this page. I have this navigation system to where if you click monthly minutes, basically what it's doing is displaying the monthly minutes category. So every post that you create and you assign it this category automatically shows up, on this page under monthly minutes. Same thing for financials, annual, monthly, and whatever category you assign a post, that is where it's going to go on the website. So this is how we create a post. So I hit add new right here at the top. Website's running slow. So here are actual Word files. So these are, looks like monthly minutes. I'll drag those to our desktop. Um, so basically, if I have July board meeting minutes, so we like let's say if we got August, I would just name this title August board meeting minutes, and then I would open up the Word file, and then I would just copy the text out of um, the Word file and just paste it right here. So when it's paste, you can make things bold and things like that. There's different options in here, font size and things like that. But I would just copy and paste it and be done with it. Another thing you can do is I usually add a featured image, which is the same image every time. Which I'm looking for. So right here is featured image. So you can set the featured image and the current media library already has images in here, and I believe I use this one because it looks like a board meeting. However, if you have a custom image that you want, you can choose to upload files right here. You can select file, or you can drag and drop a file right onto here. And then once that is uploaded, you'll be able to select the new photo, and then you just set featured image. Once you set featured image, the next thing we have to do is assign it a category. So right here is categories. This is the most important um, area. Where's my categories? Oh, yeah, website's moving slow. So underneath categories, this is where you want it to go on the website. So as I was explaining earlier, you can assign monthly financials or annual financials. In this case, we have August board meeting minutes. So this would be monthly. This would go in minutes, and it would go under monthly minutes. Both, because this is the parent category, and then we want to make it searchable under the individual monthly minutes as well. So when we're done and we're happy with this, we choose to publish. Nothing will get saved until you click the publish button right here. So if I go ahead and publish this, on our website, I'm going to do a refresh here. So right here is August board meeting minutes. Here's the photo we added as featured image, and here's all the text. Um, so just like that, I created a blog update where everyone can read what's going on, as opposed to actually going to the documents and viewing the 2021 minutes. That way they can see the monthly minutes right here. So that's how you copy and paste the text in and create a post. Now I'm going to go back out, and I am going to um, delete this because it is not the August actual board meeting minutes. So underneath here, there's edit. So if I want to go back in and edit this, I can change some text around. I can also choose the quick edit. If you choose the wrong category, underneath quick edit here, you can go ahead and change if you wanted it annual and not monthly, or if you want it under peer, or if you forgot to assign it a category and wonder why it's not showing up, you can always go in here real quickly and update it there. Um, or you can edit again, full edit underneath here. I'm going to go ahead and trash this one. So now that is gone. I'm also going to go back to List File Pro or File List Pro, and I'm going to upload the approved, looks like June and July documents from 2020. So I'm going to open this folder here. Open this folder here, minutes, and then I'm going to choose to upload files. Oh, I can't upload. Reason is I can't upload Word docs. I might be able to change that. Um, so I want to refresh this page. I'm going to see if I can't make it so we can upload Word files here. So let's go back to here. Hey, that worked. So I'm uploading. Looks like it's done, so I'm going to refresh. I'm going to choose upload again, and I'm going to grab the other one. I'm going to choose upload. So now, oh, I don't think the first one, I might have canceled the first one. There it is. Let's go back here. Oh, looks like they're both up 6 and 7, so it looks like August or June and July are up there. And they're inside the 2020 folder. So there's an example right there on how to upload your Word document. I would recommend saving them as a PDF because what's going to happen is if people don't have Microsoft Word on their computer and you upload those files, it's going to display on the main website here, and it's going to be a Word file and they're not going to be able to see it. So in Microsoft Word, you can go to File up under the File tab at the top of the program, and you can export Word files as PDFs. So when people are looking at the documents, when they choose to open them, I believe it will be easier. So let's open this folder here. So here's minutes. It should show. So I can only choose the download. I can't open them because we can't view Microsoft Word files in a browser. So that's why I suggest either saving the original and uploading those Word docs and then exporting as a PDF as well. And uploading them alongside it so then they can be viewed online if that is your goal. For instance, when I click a PDF, I'm looking for one here, and I open. That's PowerPoint. So here's a PDF, and I choose to open it. It's going to open up a new tab in my browser, and it's going to allow me to view that PDF. So if you export that Word document, and I click or a viewer on your site choose to open that file, they can view it right there. So that's kind of convenient. Um, I think that's it for uploading files and creating a post. I can also create posts. I can do it pretty quick. It don't take me much time. Same with uploading files. I just thought by the time you send it to me, you could view this video and get the hang of it and upload. It's really simple. You just go to the dashboard, log in. If it takes you to the website, it'll be a black bar up here. Choose the dashboard. The dashboard will take you here, and then you can go to File List Pro, and you can choose to upload your files. Create a folder right here, upload files. You can move, edit, open, delete, however you want. So you have full control. And these files will be backed up weekly. The website will get backed up weekly. So we should always have extra copies just in case, but we should never lose these files. And you can access them all at any point. Anyone with your admin credentials, I try to create it generic. So if you hand that password out, you can give access to other people. Just beware, they will have full control of everything on the website. And I'm not sure if you want that or not, but that is up to you. I also am debating right now to show you how to edit the website. I'll show you real quickly how to edit a page. So when you click on the home page, while you're logged in, this bar is still up here. Um, Really, there's nothing to edit here because this is a contact form. Um, and these are the posts that you create, and you already know how to do that. It's just putting them on the home page. Um, But for instance, if you want to change, get the latest information, read more from our meeting and news blogs, you would choose Edit with Page Builder. This is a really cool feature that allows you to edit basically as you see. So I'm going to click Edit with Page Builder. So this element here, it's called elements. Down here is a bunch of elements that you can add, but that's how we build your website. And so this has different photos in here. You can go into the gears. If you select this gear icon right here, it's going to open up a pop-up window that allows you um, to see all the settings and etc. But under like slides options, here is 3 different photos that I have that rotate. So if you wanted to add one or if you wanted to change a photo, you can select this image. You could upload your own, you just drag and drop, or if you like this one better, you can do that and insert it, and then the first photo on this slider would change. When you're done with those settings, just make sure you hit save and close. Now, although you might see the changes immediately, the actual update will not take place until you click publish at the bottom of the page. This is what actually updates the website. When you're all done with your saves, etc., you click publish here. For instance, this is a little hard to read, so if we wanted to change that, click the gears as you hover over. I wouldn't recommend clicking the other icons and moving stuff around. We can do any changes like that. Um, Waiting for the website here to load. So you got your subtitle. You can actually type in different things here. If you want to change the header up here, get the latest information, that is the title, and then the subtitle is read more from our meeting and news blogs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the font settings. So the title is pretty bold. We can make this a little more bold and keep it the same size and white. What I'm going to do here is I might check out. So this is the gray color that you see in the subtitle. So maybe we do a dark. Uh, it's not bad. I might do a really light gray. And then you also have this as well. So a little light gray. I'm just going to bring it down a little bit. There we go. And then you can change your font size. You can change the font family. All kinds of different settings in here. There's different text options, but again, under font settings is where you change that. Um, but again, I can make all those changes. I just wanted to show you how you can go through and you can click the gears and change. Like if your address train changes your PO box, you can just log in, hit edit with page builder at the top, and then come down here, and this is a text box, and so you click the gears, and inside of here would open up, and you can change the text right here. So I have all of that info right here. Save and close, and then if I didn't click publish, then my changes up here would not have taken place. So what I'm going to do is hit publish. That's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you have other questions, let me know. If you want a quick tutorial on a specific thing, I can do that as well. Have a great day.